Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing a new recipe with you. Homemade potato wedges. This is super easy. May potentially eliminate your need to buy frozen fries. And I have a potato cutting hack to share with you as well today. You're going to need at least a pound of potatoes. These can be russet potatoes, really any potato you want to use. I prefer yellow potato, but russet is what I had on hand today. You're gonna need a bowl, a cutting board, potato peeler, a knife. You're gonna need some kind of oil, whether it be canola, vegetable oil, salt and pepper, paprika, and garlic powder. That's all you're gonna need to make homemade potato wedges. And yes, these are delicious and extremely easy to make. Let's get started. Potato cutting hack. Grab yourself a grocery bag. Lay it down on your counter. So whenever you peel your potatoes, instead of standing over the trash can, into the sink, this is how I do it. And this contains the mess to one area, and cleanup is a breeze, you'll see. So the first step is to peel your potatoes. If you prefer a crispier potato wedge, leave the skin of the potato on. You'll want to wash these really well. So crispier potato wedge, leave skin on. The potatoes are all peeled. I'm going to set them to the side, and I'm going to share with you the incredibly easy cleanup. So once you have all your potato peelings on the bag, fold the sides, fold the bottom, roll. All the mess contained in one area for easy cleanup, and you can toss this away easily. Time to slice the potatoes. So I just turn the potato on its side. It's on its back, on its side. Cut it in half. Once you have that, you're going to slice this in at least 5 slices. You want to try to make them as equal as you possibly can. I have a couple variations of these potato wedges with different seasonings. One of my family's favorite one that I'm sharing today. I'm also working on a sweet potato fry, so those will all be coming soon. It is okay if some get thinner than others too. It doesn't really matter. They're going to be crispier if they're thinner. Pieces like this. After you have all of your potato wedges cut up in wedge shapes, we're going to give them a bath. I'm going to clean these potatoes at least 3 times. Then I'm going to leave them sitting in a bowl of water. So I'm going to do this off camera. Now, after I've washed them, you can see the water is crystal clear. The potatoes are clean. These need to sit in the refrigerator for at least 1 hour in the water. This goes for russet potatoes. Now, if you were to use the yellow potatoes, which are my favorite, and you don't even have to do this step. You can cut up the yellow potatoes, clean them, go right to seasoning them and putting them in the oven. Okay, it's been several hours since mine's been in the fridge soaking in water. We're ready to move on to the next step. I'm going to add salt, pepper, I'm going to add paprika, and I'm also going to be adding garlic powder. Add more or a little if you prefer. And you're also going to need 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil. And once again, I've made these so many times that I'm just going to eyeball this. Once I have all the ingredients in my bowl, we're going to use a spoon for this. Oh, you can tell they're really good mixed when all the fries have a coating. 2 foil lined pans for these potato wedges. I've preheated my oven 350 degrees. I find that the potato itself will be done around 50 to 55 minutes in the oven. You will have to keep an eye on them because if you did cut them thinner, they will burn. Just do it according to how thick you cut the potatoes and what type of potato you use, because the russet potatoes are going to take a little longer than the yellow potatoes to cook. We're going to put them in the oven and forget about them for at least 55 minutes. Our potato wedges are now done. You can flip them if you choose halfway through. I don't do that. It doesn't really affect them. These are delicious. Very easy to make. I hope you guys enjoyed the recipe. We'll try it out for yourselves. Don't forget to check the description box and the cards for additional In the Kitchen links. Stay tuned for more recipes. Thank you so much for watching.